happy kiddos!
Hello, kids! Let's learn fun action words. Wash, brush, jump, run, play. Come join the fun!
Look! I am playing with my friend. Playing is fun. I am reading a storybook. Reading helps me learn new things. I am writing in my notebook. Writing helps me practice. I am clapping my hands. Clap, clap, clap. I am jumping happily. Jumping makes me feel excited. I am running to my class. Running is fast and fun. I am eating my lunch. Eating gives me energy. I am drinking water. Water keeps me healthy. I am laughing with joy. Haha, laughing feels good. I am dancing happily. Dancing is fun. I am brushing my teeth. Brushing keeps my teeth clean. I am sleeping now. Sleep helps me grow strong. I am singing a song. Singing makes me happy. I am kicking the ball. Kick the ball and play. I am throwing the ball. Throw and play. I am washing my hands. Washing keeps me healthy. I am catching the ball. Catch it carefully.
I am closing my book. Reading time is done.
I am opening my book. Let's start reading. I am coloring a picture. Coloring is fun. I am sitting on my chair. Sitting nicely in class. I am pointing at the picture. Look over there. I am standing straight. Stand tall like me. I am climbing the ladder. Up, up I go.
I am waving hello. Hello, my friend.
I am pushing my toy car. Push it forward. I am hugging my teddy. Hugs feel warm. I am sliding down. Whee! That is fun. Woo, that is fun. I am pulling my wagon. Pull it this way. I am drawing a picture. Drawing is fun. I am building a tower, block by block. I am cleaning the table. I am listening carefully. I can hear you. I am walking slowly, step by step. I am looking at the picture. Look with me. I am thinking now. What is the answer? I am smiling happily. A smile is nice. I am helping my friend. Helping is kind. Thanks. Let's make a tower. Okay, this is fun. We're a good team. I am jumping rope. Jump, jump, jump. I am sharing my toy. Sharing is caring. I am stacking the blocks. Up and up. Up, up. I am riding my bike. Riding is fun. I am planting a plant. Plants grow big. I am watering the plant. Water helps it grow.
I am blowing bubbles. Pop, pop, pop.
I am painting a picture. Painting is fun. I am baking cookies. Yum, yum. I am flying a kite. Up in the sky. I am crawling on the floor. Crawl, crawl. Crawl, crawl. I am hopping on one foot. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. I am swinging on the swing. Swing high. I am swinging on the swing. Swing high. I am swinging on the swing. Swing high. I am balancing carefully. Look at me. I am exploring things. Let's discover. Let's discover. I am discovering something new. Wow! I am counting the blocks. 1, 2, 3. I am building a tower. Up and up it goes. I am folding the paper. Fold it nicely. I am cutting the paper. Snip, snip. I am gluing the paper. Stick it well. I am decorating my craft. It looks beautiful. I am waking up. Good morning. I am stretching my arms. Stretch and feel good. I am organizing my books. Everything looks neat. I am sweeping the floor. Clean and tidy. I am tying my shoes. Tie them tight. I am stirring the bowl. Stir, stir, stir. I am yawning now. I feel sleepy. I am rolling the ball. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll. I am spinning around. Round, round and round. I am spinning around. Round and round. I am shaking the rattle. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. I am digging the sand. Dig, dig. I am digging the sand. Dig, dig. I am digging the sand. I am smelling the flower. It smells nice. I am kissing my teddy. Good night. I am knocking on the door. Knock, knock. I am scratching my head. I wonder. I am tapping the table. Tap, tap.
I am whistling a tune. I am sneezing into a tissue.
Achoo. I am carrying my toys. Carry them carefully. I am carrying my toys. Carry them toys. Carry them carefully.
I am dropping the toy. Oops!
I am searching for my toy. Where is it? I am searching for my toy. Where is it? I am tasting the fruit. Yum, it is sweet. I am chewing my food. Chew, chew. I am sipping my juice. Sip, sip. I am sipping my juice. Sip, sip. I am bouncing the ball. Bounce. I am stomping my feet. Stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp. I am marching forward. Left, left, right. I am marching forward. Left, right. I am marching forward. Left, right. I am peeking over here. Peekaboo.
I am nodding my head. Yes, yes. I am saluting. Hello. I am spraying the plant. Splash. I am whispering to my friend. Shh. I am peeling a banana. Yum. I am pouring water. Pour slowly.
I am mixing the food. Mix, mix. Mix, mix. Mix, mix. I am measuring the flour. Just a little. I am scooping the sand. Scoop it up. Scoop it up. Scoop it up. I am pedaling my bike. Go, go! I am rubbing my hands. Rub, rub! I am pinching the clay. Pinch, pinch! Pinch, 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 pinch! I am tiptoeing quietly. Step, step. I am tiptoeing quietly. Step, step. I am tearing the paper. Tear, tear. I am dusting the table. Clean and shiny. I am packing my toys. Pack them neatly. I am arranging the blocks, one by one. I am collecting leaves. Look how many!
I am twirling happily. Round and round.
I am unpacking my toys. First, my yellow car. Now, the red ball. Look, a green frog. Next is the blue block. I am popping bubbles. Pop! Pop, pop, pop! Popping is so much fun. I am drumming the drum. Boom, boom! I am wiping the table. Clean it well. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.